So you're having a hard time finding an affordable house in Jacksonville, Florida? Well, you haven't seen this one. We just listed this fantastic home on a great big corner lot, and the HOA fees here are low. It's also close and convenient to everything. Naval Air Station Jacksonville right that way, Oakley Town Center that way. There's a Costco around the corner. You can't beat it. You're going to love the house and you're going to love the price. Let's go in and take a look around.
For more details about this home, or better yet, to come see it in person, just give us a call. We're Mike and Cindy Jones. Thank you for watching.